क्या आप खुद को लकी मानते हो या फिर आपको लगता है लक सिर्फ कुछ लोगों के लिए होता है? अगर मैं आपसे कहूं कि लक कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं है बल्कि एक स्किल है जो सीखी, प्रैक्टिस की और डेवलप की जा सकती है, तो क्या आप मेरे साथ इस लकी रोड पर ट्रैवल करना चाहेंगे? एक ऐसा जर्नी जहां हम बातों में नहीं, प्रूवन टेक्निक्स और स्ट्रैटेजीज के साथ चलेंगे। सिंपल भी, आसान भी और इतनी गहरी कि आप खुद को पहचानने लगेंगे। ये सिर्फ एक बुक नहीं है, ये एक सेल्फ डिस्कवरी जर्नी है। और इस जर्नी की शुरुआत लिखने से पहले होती है, सोचने से, महसूस करने से और लर्निंग को फिर से फन बनाने से।
Before we begin, ask yourself one simple question. What's in it for me? What if learning about yourself didn't feel heavy, serious, or overwhelming? What if self-introspection felt playful, creative, and deeply personal? This podcast is not about rushing to fill a book. It's about preparing your mind to receive transformation. Because the Lucky You journey is not a read and keep aside experience. It is a process of opening your mind, awakening awareness, and consciously shaping your life. Today, I'll show you how to start this journey the way we learned best as children, with curiosity, color, creativity, and joy. As soon as you receive the guidelines or the book, don't rush. Instead, go back in time to your school days. Remember when learning was fun? When new notebooks smelled fresh? When colorful pens made studying exciting? That's the state of mind we are recreating. Step 1 is simple and powerful. Buy a tie knot lace file, a practical file, a tie book, whatever it's called in your region. One side for writing, the other for drawing, interleaved. This is not just a file. This is your thinking space, your learning lab, your inner dialogue on paper. Step 2. Read one chapter at a time. No binge reading. Step 3. Use colored pens, highlighters, glitters, whatever makes you feel good to write the theoretical content. Why does this work? Because when you read and write, your brain registers information more effectively. Multiple neural pathways are activated: visual, motor, and cognitive. And here's the science behind the fun. Bob Pye, a well-renowned trainer and educationist, famously said, adults are babies with big bodies. When you learn like a child, you retain better. And his golden principle states, learning is directly proportional to the amount of fun you have. Step 4 is where transformation truly begins. Take time to answer the reflective questions, not casually, not hurriedly. This is honest self-introspection, the foundation of conscious change. Now, make learning joyful. Use the white side of the file for art and craft, doodles, mind maps, collages, symbols. There is no right or wrong here. This is your expression, your creativity, your fun. And remember, growth thrives where joy exists. Step 6. Move to the next chapter. Repeat the process slowly, mindfully, fully. Step 7. Once the file is complete, create a creative cover for it. Name it, decorate it, celebrate it. Keep it like a precious treasure. Once you understand the content, the next phase begins. There is no end to improvement. You keep polishing yourself until you uncover the diamond within. When confidence grows, start filling the main book with a pencil. and share your learnings through short reels.
So, first thing I have learned that what is luck? Luck isn't magic. It happens when preparation meets opportunity. And second thing I have learned that belief works like magic. Like if I believe in myself, so I can unlock possibilities that I never imagined. Third thing I have learned that success is just a thought away. Positive thinking brings positive result and it all starts in the mind.
Hi everyone, I just finished the book Lucky You by Suresh Bharwani and it really inspired me. The book showed me how important it is to take care of both our mind and body. Small habits like doing yoga, meditation, and regular exercise can keep us calm, focused, and healthy.
I got the book Lucky You about 3 months back, and today I am here to convey my learnings and key insights from this book. The title itself felt very positive and motivating. नाम सुनते ही ऐसा लगा कि इसमें कुछ इंस्पायरिंग ज़रूर होगा. My first impression of the book was that the book is very simple and practical. बिल्कुल एक ऐसे पर्सनल गाइड की तरह जो डायरेक्टली एक रीडर से कनेक्ट करती है. The book also teaches us that success comes from self-reflection, gratitude and mindfulness. इसके साथ ही एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड और अडेप्टेबिलिटी ही ग्रोथ की असली फाउंडेशन है.
Learning deepens when shared. Bob Pike said something profound. Your learning is complete only when you can transfer it to someone else. When you teach others to do what you can do, competence is confirmed. This marks the beginning of your success journey. From here onward, life begins to take a steep upward turn for you. The mind is like a parachute. It works only when open. Psychologist Richard Wiseman discovered that people who see themselves as lucky notice opportunities others miss. Luck isn't chance, it's a mindset.
This journal has helped over 1.25 million students build confidence, resilience, and clarity. It teaches that luck isn't accidental. It is cultivated through openness, curiosity, and reflection. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. Your journey starts here.